Hi, how you doing? I have some dog food and some dog treats. And I also have some water, and there's $20 in there too.
Oh my, you need to mention that boy. I found it. Hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
And thank you, if I'm a reach question lady. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate
God bless.
y'all. Much respect.
You got it.
Here's some water.
Muchas gracias, señora.
Sure.
Have a good one.
Take care.
Oh, they're cute.
You go, big boy.
Hi there. Here's some dog food for your dog. And then here's some bottled water for you guys too.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You guys have a great day.
Okay, you too.
Okay,
So it's like right here.
Much further
Hey,
up.
where'd the dog go?
It was further up.
Hi there. I have some dog food for your dog if that's okay. Do you need some dog food for your dog? You're welcome. Do you guys need some bottled water?
I'll take some.
There you go. Have a great day.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Whoa, those pants do not fit, girl. Wow. That looks bad. Hi.
Hi.
Here's some dog food.
Thank you. Jones, thank you, Weta.
Here's some money for you.
Thank you, guys. God bless you.
And then here's some bottled waters.
Oh,
Should
good.
I put that down first?
I'm gonna put it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's your guys' name?
Got water?
What's
Yeah.
your name?
Stephanie.
And your name? Because I want to keep you guys in prayer. Thank you so much. This helps so much. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Look, Weta. I'm gonna put the water right here, Weta.
God bless you.
There's two more for the road.
I'm gonna put it right here.
Got any those?
When we get to the house.
I got plenty of water.
No.
Oh, there's a dog right there. Hi, is this your dog? I have some dog food if you need it. No.
Oh.
He's cute. And a squeaky. You guys need some bottled waters?
Like Jake.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take care.
Have a good one. Okay, now we just got some pillows to give away and we're done. Hi, how you doing? I have some dog food for your dog. And then here's some money for you too.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Do you need some bottled waters?
No, I have water, thank you.
Okay. Have a good one.
Take care.
Hi, baby.
One more.
How about her? Go back. Maybe she can lay down on him. Give her that in a bottled water. Hi there. Would you like a couple pillows? Couple pillows. Uh-huh. And then here's a bottle of water too. Okay. Bye. Oh, good. She immediately just started making her bed. Oh, that's awesome. Yay. Okay, so that's it. See if she wants a bottle of water. Would you like a bottle of water? Hold on, I got something else for you. Here's a 20 for you too. Like a water?
What? Would you like a water?
Here, I actually have an ice chest in the back I can give to you guys. Let me
Hi.
you unlock it, Bob?
What's that?
Unlock the door.
I was raised in Las Vegas.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We were there last week or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, till I was 3 until I was 13.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And now you're here in LA?
Yeah. Because my mom didn't want to move back east, but my new dad was. It was too cold back then.
Oh, there you go.
yeah.
It was my birthday last Saturday.
Well, happy
Okay.
birthday, belated.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye, have a
Bye-bye.
good one. Here, we got something for you too. There you go.
Thank
have a
you.
good
God
one.
bless you.
Okay. Oh, here she is, right here. Hi. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. What they did was wrong. We're still a mixed community here. That's what we're saying. Sorry. Thank you.
Did you hear me?
God bless you. Thank you. I appreciate you. God bless you. Thank you, man.